Hello planning mashers, Masha here from Masha Plants and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a video I've been looking forward to for a while. We are doing Halloween themed doodles. So I will leave you just to check out how to doodle all this spooky goodness, but be sure that I start all my doodles with pencil and very basic shapes, so it will be very easy for you to replicate all of them. If you use them for your bullet journal, do let me know. Tag me on Instagram or Facebook or whenever you guys are going to be posting. I would love to see them. I also do have to apologize if my camera is a little bit shaky from time to time. I am filming in a very new setup and I'm still kind of getting used to and trying to figure out what's the best way. So I hope you'll deal with me, and yeah, enjoy the video and happy doodling! In case you like the doodles but aren't really sure if you have time to doodle, or for whatever other reasons don't feel like doodling at the moment but you need your setups, right now because oh my god, October is right around the corner. I honestly just can't believe it. But I created something especially for you. If you follow the blog post and the link from the description, you will see that I added a set of Halloween themed stickers to my resources vault. So yeah, feel free to go there, join Planning Mashers, and get access to our resources vault with a bunch of amazing free printables and stickers and a bunch of other goodies. So I hope to see you there. Let me know which one of these doodles was your favorite, and actually what is gonna be your theme for October in the comments down below. I will leaving you with a playlist of all my other Doodle With Me videos. I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!